Dash cams are a must-have for road safety, giving you peace of mind whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just parking your car. In this video, I will show you the top 5 best dash cams of 2025 and share my personal favorite. From crystal clear footage to advanced safety features, there's a perfect option for every driver. You'll find links to each product in the description below. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes, visit our website at couponoffer.net. At number 5 is the Pelsi P1 Duo 4K Dash Cam. The front camera captures stunning 4K videos at 30 frames per second with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, while the rear camera delivers impressive HD footage at a 150-degree wide angle, ensuring you never miss any critical details on the road. This dash cam features real-time video previews via Wi-Fi and the Pelsi Cam app, enabling easy sharing, editing, and replaying of footage. Voice control adds convenience for hands-free photo capture, video locking, and audio management. With a 1.5f aperture and 6-layer optics, this dash cam captures clear details like license plates even in low light, while advanced processing minimizes glare. Parking mode and time-lapse recording ensure continuous surveillance, and the G-sensor locks crucial footage during impacts for reliable evidence. The device features automatic file overwriting to ensure uninterrupted recording and includes a pre-installed 64GB memory card. Its 1.5-inch IPS screen provides clear status updates and easy operation, making it user-friendly and reliable. The current price of this product is $89 on Amazon. At number 4 is the Afer A4 4K Dash Cam. The front camera records in breathtaking 4K UHD resolution with a 160-degree wide-angle view, while the rear camera provides crisp 1080p footage with a 5-degree wide-angle lens. This combination ensures cinematic quality video evidence, making it ideal for accident disputes and insurance claims. This dash cam's 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables rapid video downloads at up to 8 Mbps, while integrated GPS log speed, routes, and real-time location, viewable via the app or GPS player on Windows and Macs. The 3.59-inch IPS screen provides a clear, intuitive interface. Loop recording manages storage efficiently, and the built-in G-sensor secures vital footage during collisions. With a Type-C hardwire kit sold separately, the dash cam records in low FPS mode even when the car is off, ensuring continuous security. The ultra-large f1.5 aperture and 6-layer lens enhance low-light performance, capturing detailed footage even in dim conditions. WDR technology adjusts exposure for optimal video quality day or night. The current price of this product is $99 on Amazon. At number 3 on our list is the Rove R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. With its dual-channel recording capabilities, this dash cam captures the road ahead in stunning 4K UHD resolution at 30 FPS and the rear in crisp HD resolution. The front camera's 150-degree ultra-wide angle and the rear camera's 140-degree wide angle ensure a broader field of view, providing unparalleled clarity and coverage. Featuring a Sony StarVis 2 image sensor ensures stunning image quality even in low light. Its front f1.5 and rear f1.8 apertures maximize light intake for clear, vivid recordings in any lighting condition. The dashcam's dual-band Wi-Fi ensures seamless connectivity with the ROV app, enabling instant recording access. The integrated GPS displays real-time speed and compass data on the 3-inch IPS screen while embedding route and speed stamps onto recordings. The Rove R2 offers motion detection, G-sensor emergency locking, loop recording, a screensaver, voice guidance, and support for up to 1 TB micro SD cards. Its custom 24-hour parking mode offers 3 intelligent options: time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. The current price of this product is $119 on Amazon. At number 2 on our list, we have the Red Tiger F7NP Dash Cam, and this one packs some serious tech for your car's safety and your peace of mind. First of all, it offers 4K Ultra HD resolution front camera and 1080 resolution for rear cameras. Plus, with its 170-degree wide-angle lens in the front and 140 degrees in the rear, it covers a wide field of view. Now, let's talk about nighttime performance. The F7NP excels at night with its f1.5 aperture, 6-layer glass lens, and HDR technology, ensuring crystal clear footage in low light. But what I really love is the smart app control. With the Red Tiger app, you can connect the dash cam to your smartphone, view and manage recordings, and even share those unforgettable road trip moments with friends and family. The built-in GPS tracking is another standout feature. It not only records your route, speed, and location, but also lets you view it all on Google Maps. And for those of you concerned about continuous recording, the loop recording keeps the dash cam running non-stop, while the G-sensor locks crucial footage during collisions. The current price of this dash cam is $119 on Amazon. Finally, taking the #1 spot is the Viofo A229 Pro. And trust me, this dash cam is a total game changer. It's a 3-channel beast with Sony Starvis 2 sensors on all lenses. The front camera shoots in stunning 4K Ultra HD, the rear in 2K, and the cabin in 1080 resolution. You're getting super sharp, cinematic footage that picks up every little detail. What makes the A229 Pro a standout is its HDR for all 3 channels, so your footage looks clear whether it's bright or pitch black. And speaking of night vision, the cabin camera has infrared LED, so even in complete darkness, it records sharp black and white footage. But it doesn't stop there. This thing has 12 voice commands. You can lock videos, turn Wi-Fi on or off, or switch cameras. Plus, it gives you voice notifications for settings and memory card status, keeping you informed without taking your eyes off the road. And the GPS logger tracks your speed, route, and location. It even has loop recording and emergency locking, so you'll never lose critical footage. The current price of this dash cam is $389 on Amazon. If you're interested in any of these products, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.